One of my favorite things to wear in the summer is lightweight jackets, just because the restaurants are so cold. And so I put up these fabrics because I think they'll make really great jackets or cardigans, either one. So we're going to start with this first one. This is a cotton poly. It'd be so cute in a little cardigan. I just think it'd really be good. It's got great little stripes. It's very inexpensive. I don't know what we put it up for, but I think it's like $13.99. But it's a sweater knit, and it would work great as a little wrap. You could just do it lots of different ways, and it's got stretch in both directions. It's just comfy. Be really nice to roll up into. So this is another one that I really liked. I love the stripe on this. This is 100% cotton. It has a nice stretch in both directions. I mean, not really stretchy, but it's a firm fabric. It's kind of like a pontoroma, but it's very nice, 100% cotton. And again, these are all $14.99 or less. This is a viscose. I love this. Just absolutely love this. Had a pair of pants and a little cardigan that matched out of this, and I'm just ready to make it again. Not out of this exactly, but something similar. I love it. Great drape, stretch in both directions. Really beautiful. It's a black and milk. These are all reversible. They all are great on both sides. Blue and white we see here, and then you can see the opposite on the other side. Has stretch in both directions. This is 100% cotton also. This teal, 100% cotton also. It's got a diagonal surface to it. It's got stretch in one direction, a little bit in the other direction, but not that much. 100% cotton. Great little jacket. This brown and black, I love this. It just will go with so much in your closet. Lighter weight, stretch in both directions. Lovely little fabric. Just a lot of fun. And again, you can use both sides. I'm not even sure which is right or which is wrong. Anyway, so the goal for $14.99 you will have. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.